Hello, hello, hello. Yeah. So, so I'm audible, right? So, okay. And development. So basically, the coding and development is like okay. So we will wait for some minute and then we will start the session. So maybe some people are waiting for the live moment. So just we will wait for the some minute. So, so, okay. So, so first of all, thank you for the joining this session. So basically, whoever the join, so please ping in the chat box. So I will get the detail for that. So whoever the join, so Saravanan also join. Then whoever the join, so please ping in a WhatsApp. Sorry, please ping in a chat box. Okay. Okay. So without further delay, so we'll start the session. So basically, first of all, thank you for the joining. So in this session. So basically, this is a weekly job opportunity update. So basically, in this session, I will explain you the different type of opportunity with us and how we can apply for that job opportunity. Okay. So basically, here I will explain you the different opportunity in I posted in my WhatsApp group as well as I posted on my YouTube community group. Okay. So basically, how we can apply and what is the criteria for that job application. Okay. So I will explain you all the details. So you can still the watch and whoever the join. So I will give the reference for that. Okay. So basically, my screen visible, right? So basically, in this the session, I will go through the different opportunity. So first of all, the thank you for the all the whoever the join in the call, the live session. So basically, okay, so okay, okay, so I think many people joining. Okay, so okay, okay. So we'll start the session. So weekly job opportunity update. So what are the roles and responsibility for that job update? So basically, in this the session, I will explain the different the job opening. So basically, first is a simple logic IT Private Limited. So basically, in this company, there are multiple opening, and I will explain you the for that detail. So basically, first of all, the Oracle database administrator. Sorry. So for that is the L3 level of opportunity. Then second is the WebLogic admin L1. Then infra project manager L3 level. Then MySQL DBA L1. Then after that SQL developer L3 level. So basically these are the different type of job opportunity. And for that basically whatever they are explaining that if you are the immediate joiner or currently serving the notice period, then they are preparing for that candidate only. Okay, so if you are the immediate joiner or the currently serving the notice period, then you can apply for this job position. So how to apply? So basically you can simply drop your resume. They you provided the HR contact like tejasri.mane at the simplelogic.in. So whoever the interested for this position, they can uh, directly send the email on this email ID. And approximately, if you need any kind of reference, then you can join my IT community group. So, if is there any kind of reference available, then I will share you that detail with you. Okay, so you can just ping me in personally. So I will do the reference for that. So basically, what are the different type of position available? Oracle DBA L3 level. So basically, if you check the location is a Navi Mumbai, and they want the experienced candidate for the 6 years to the 10 years. Okay, so the basically they need the whatever the skill required for that. So basically required the RAC, then Golden Gate, performance tuning plus team handling is a mandatory. So basically, the position is for the experienced candidate up to 6 to 10 years experience they have required in a Oracle DBA and the L3 level. Okay, so basically this is the DBA the kind of job. So they need the L3 level of the position. Okay, for that. Then second one is the Web Logic Admin L1. So basically L1 for the Mumbai location, the experience required 1 to 6 years. Then the required the skills for that Web Logic, OHS, then Docker, Kubernetes, Apache, Tomcat. So basically, if you have those skills, then you can also apply for this position. Then infra project manager. So basically infra related like the servers and like this related also one opening. So it is also in a Mumbai location, 6 years to 12 years experience. Then infra management and the previous experience like the Oracle DBA or the weblog admin. So if you have the experience in a like that this skill, then you can also apply for this position. Then the next one is a MySQL DB L1. So basically this position is a Mumbai location. So basically the location is a Vikroli, I think, for the Mumbai. Then the basically the required experience is a 1 year to 3 years experience, and they want the MySQL database administration. Okay, so this is also again the L1 level of the job opportunity. Then next one is the SQL developer. So it is the L3 level. So basically the position is for again the Vikroli Mumbai location, and the experience required 5 plus years experience in a SQL development, then SQL query optimization, then performance tuning. So basically this is a different type of position available, and if you are the matching your skill as required this available opening, then you can also apply on this email ID like Tejasri Mane @ simplelogic.in. So this is the opening for the Simple Logic IT Private Limited. Okay, so then I will explain you the next opening. So before that, so I will just briefly tell you about the job description for the whatever the job description required for the what are the different type of skill required if you apply for the DBA kind of the opening. Okay, so in the next session, I will explain you the roles and responsibility for the DBA L1 to L3 level. Okay, so if you are the applying for the DBA kind of role, and there is a before it is a better than if you before the going for the interview, you can at least take you can at least understand what are the different type of roles and responsibility for the DBA. So the DBA, any kind of DBA like Oracle, then you have the MySQL or any kind of DBA. So this is the basic requirement for that position. So if you are the L1 position, then they required the 1 year to the 3 years experience. Okay. So if you check the MySQL DBA, it is the L1 level. So it is a 1 year to 3 years experience. Okay. So if basically when I contact with HR, so they explain that if you are the fresher and if you have the experience up to sorry if you have the done any internship up to 1 year, then you can also apply for this position. So if you have the any internship certification with you, then you can also apply for this position. But it is the first thing they will basically filter the resume based on your experience. If you have the experience 1 to 3 years, the priority is for that candidate only. And if the candidate is not there, then they can the check the fresher candidate as well. So, but the mandatory is that internship in a same skill like MySQL DBA or query optimization, performance tuning like that. And above is the web logic admin. So for this also internship required. If you are the fresher, then they required the web logic, then OHS, then Docker, Kubernetes, then Apache Tomcat like that. If you are the completed your internship in this skill, then you can apply for this position and wait for the inter means wait for the HR the contact means HR response. Okay, so the next, what are the rules and responsibility for the DBA L1 and L3? So basically, the key responsibility for the Oracle DBA, I will explain you. The basically the advanced troubleshooting. So basically, the DBA means a database administrator. Basically, it will be working on the troubleshooting. Like if you are the any kind of the issue in your server or in your database, so basically the DBA is the person who is the responsible for that troubleshooting. So basically, the DBA will be work in between the database developer and the application team. Or any kind of application support engineer. So in between that, DBA is the person whoever the working along with this team. So the DBA is a part of the infrastructure. So basically DBA look into the infrastructure level. So he will handle all the kind of troubleshooting related to your server, your hardware, then any kind of the system or any kind of the servers. So basically the DBA will be help DBA will be help on this issue. Okay, so then leading the root cost of the analysis RCA. So basically DB also find out the root cause of analysis, then complex database issue, then identifying and resolving the critical database problem. So impacting the production system. So basically, is there any kind of production system? Then DBA will be work on the production support any kind of issue or any kind of UAT, or there are different type of the system available in that company. Then performance optimization. So the main important task is that performance optimization. So basically the performance optimization in a form of the database, in a form of the server, then in form of the infra. So basically performance optimization is also important thing for the DBA. So the monitoring the database performance, then identify bottleneck, then implementing tuning the strategy to the improve the query execution or overall the execution of the database efficiency. So this is the main thing that will be do by the database administrator. So then the next one is the database upgrade, then migration. So basically, this is again the important thing for the database administrator. So whoever the working on the upgradation and migration project, so it will also require the some knowledge on that part. Then managing the database upgrade to the newer the Oracle version, including the planning, testing, and the execution. So not only for the installing part, but you can DBA will be involved in the planning, testing, and execution part as well. Okay, so basically, if you are the going for the this kind of the role, then you can understand about this roles and responsibility. Okay, then implementing the enforcing the robust database security policies, then including the user access control, so the data encryption, then patch management. So basically this is again the most important thing for the DBA. DBA can be work on this patch management, data encryption, then the access control. Then the last one is a backup and recovery. The backup and recovery also important thing for the as a perspective of the DBA. Then designing the and execution the complex backup recovery strategies to the ensure the data integrity and availability in case of the emergency. So basically, if you work as a DBA, then you can also work on these roles and responsibility. Then again, the capability planning, then productive analysis of the database usage, storage requirement, then plan feature growth and resource allocation. This is again the important thing for the DBA. Then incident management, then leading a resolution of high priority database incident, then coordinating with the other team, then minimize the system downtime. So if you aware of this, so basically in a system, if system goes down, then it will be the responsibility for the DBA. You can it is the impact on production. So we can take the minimize the system downtime. Then technical leadership, then basically the monitoring and guidance for the junior DBA complex database administrator task. So basically it will be for the L3 level. Basically, if you are the working on the L3 level, like you have the experience up to 5 years to 6 years, then this is the again you will handling the any kind of team. Then your juniors, basically you can guide your juniors DBA. Okay, so for the all below the point, like the performance or any kind of backup, then recovery, like that thing. Okay, then reporting the analysis. Okay, so basically if you are the L3 level, then you need to report your senior manager, and you can analyze the whatever the daily tasks you can analyze for that. Then generating the report for the database health performance metrics, then usage of the trend. So basically this is again important thing for the DBA. So I hope you will all of you understood what kind of DBA, how can DBA can work, then what are the different type of roles and responsibility. So basically this is kind of the roles and responsibility for the DBA. Then the next I will explain you the next thing how we can apply for this position. Okay, so basically the company, if you not aware about this company, then you can go by this link. So if you check the link, so I will explain you the the company. I will go to the company website. So basically this is Simple Logic IT Private Limited. So basically it is a leading IT consulting and IT service company. So basically if you go there, and you can check the whatever the other detail as well. So then you can check the detail, you can take the some information of the company. Okay, so then the next one is a, you can also, it is a better that you can also check the company review. So whenever you go for the any kind of apply for the any kind of company, then you can check the company review. Okay, so basically you can check the on the Glassdoor, you can check the company review. Then the next one how we can apply. So basically for the apply I already share the detail. You can simply drop your resume at tejasri mane dot Tejasri Mane at the rate simplelogic.in. Okay, so in this email ID you can send your resume. Then for the reference you can ping me on WhatsApp. So I will provide the my contact detail. So for the if you require any kind of the reference, you can ping me. Then the next opening is for the this company. So basically this position I will share you in a few back week ago. But still they are looking for the person, basically for the Java developer, SDFC, then .NET developer, then data engineer, then data analyst, then QA automation engineer, and fresher. So many the people ask me about that. Many candidates ask me that, sir, is any kind of the opening for that fresher? Yeah. So basically, you can, if you have the fresher. So as of now, they have the opening for the 2 years to 5 years experience, but they have the opening for the fresher as well. You can simply send the email for the, if you are the fresher, like you can just like you can mention what are the technology, like the Java developer or .NET developer or data engineer or data analyst. Okay. Or even if you are the SQL developer, you can also send your resume on this email ID. So I will share you the email ID personally, so whoever the join in this call, so they will I will provide you the email ID for that. Okay. So basically, the fresher also can apply for this position. So Mindist is a, basically the company. The detail you can check in Google. You can also Google for this company. Okay. So basically, in a previous, I think I have referred some of the candidate, and they have also called for the interview. But maybe some out of that, some candidate miss those things, like they miss their mail ID. So I have ping in my WhatsApp group. So wherever the I have listed the candidate name. So please check your email ID, and you can also check the detail if you have received any kind of opening from the company or not. Okay. So the next one is the basically the reference for the IT community and channel. So basically, this is a link. That link basically for the IT community, you can join this link, and you can also share this the link with your friends and family. So if they are looking for any kind of opportunity, they can also join in our IT community. Okay, so basically these are the different type of opening that currently we have, and also I will share my the screen. So let me stop my this screen. Okay, so basically we have the IT community group. So I will explain you about that. So still, let anyone having any query, they can ask in a chat box. So I will take that query, and we will go before further moving forward. Okay. सो किसी को पास कोई भी क्वेश्चन रहेगा तो आप चैट बॉक्स पे पूछ सकते हो. Okay, and I will noted. I have also noted down whoever the join. So I will give the reference for that. Okay. So okay. So basically, I will share my screen, and then I will update you some more detail. Okay, I think my screen is able, right? So basically, so I will first of all I will give the information about our IT community. Okay, so okay, so basically, Star Importec IT community. So basically, as of you know, you are all joined in a IT community group, and where I posted a lot of opening. तो वहाँ पे मैं basically जहाँ पे भी मेरे रेफरेंस के थ्रू जहाँ पे भी ओपनिंग रहता है तो मैं आपको शेयर करता हूँ, ठीक है. So basically, I have the one of the YouTube channels. So basically, Star Infotech online classes. So if you check the detail for that, so basically, this is a link. If you not aware that, then you can also visit the link. So basically, this is a Star Infotech online classes. So basically, in this the YouTube channel, basically I'm posting the lot of opening, and also I have created this YouTube channel for the reason is that, so basically where I can posted the different type of videos, so that will also useful for you. So whoever the not join the my online YouTube channel, so they can join into my this channel. So basically in this YouTube channel you will learn the how we can prepare for the job interview, then how to we can improve our technical skill like the Java, SQL, Python, DBA or full stack development. Okay, then also I will conduct the SQL interview practical question, and what are the different type of tips that I will also provide in a video form. Then enhance your communication skill, then exercise tutorial with end-to-end project. Okay, so for that the reason I have created this YouTube channel. Then the if you are the preparing for the any kind of Microsoft certification, so this information I have also uploaded in my YouTube channel. You can also check that detail. Then understanding the different type of roles like SQL developer, DBA, then the data engineer, then BI developer. So as of we check that we just now check that what are the kind of the roles for the DBA. So this kind of information I will share in my YouTube channel. The job opportunity update. So basically I will share the job community in a community group. I will share the job update like the IT non-IT sector. Then if any kind of the referral is available, then I will also share the referral for the only subscriber users. Okay, then update the latest IT technical trend. So I will also update you on the latest video on the IT technology. Okay, then basically in our job IT community, basically I have created one the WhatsApp group. So in that WhatsApp group, whatever the different type of opening, and I will communicate each and every candidate. So whether the any kind of the issues related to job or any kind of issue related to skill, or they are not getting any kind of calls from the any company, so then I will also guide you. So basically this IT community I have created basically for the community for the IT aspirant, basically where I can posted the opening where I'm getting from the different sources. So I'm here, I will note down that key. I am not a recruiter or not a HR. I am gathering the information from different sources, and I will provide you that for the your the job search. Okay, so basically you can check the detail, you can validate the detail, and if you any one person ask you for any kind of money, then you can don't pay any kind of money. Okay, so you can check the verify the detail, and then you can process for that. Okay, then the basically I will also conduct the online IT classes. Okay, so I will conduct the classes for the fresher or the experienced person as well. Okay, so in that I will take the mock interview session for the SQL, then the database, then Java, then full stack development or any IT related skill. Okay, so for the fresher as well as the experienced candidate. So basically where I can provide the real time the interview experience, then whatever the I experience. So basically I'm currently working in a IT company where I can work as a 5 years of experience. So whatever the knowledge on the interview session, I will give the that same knowledge for the candidate as well. Okay, so then SQL training. So basically I am providing the SQL training for the basics to advanced level, and with the hands-on practical session. So I'm conducting the SQL training as well. So if you are interested, then you can also visit the our group, then where I can posted the link for the class detail and registration. Then also I will also conduct the exercise tutorial, then exercise tutorial for the real time project. Then the for the MSBI BI developer, this kind of things I'm also conducting the online classes for the Power BI, then the BI developer, then data analyst, then the data basically the basically for the data analyst this profile. So then I will also provide the career guidance to the IT as a SQL developer, DBA, data engineer, and BI developer. Okay, so this is a link. So basically, if you visit this link, so this is a link that you can check. So this is the registration form. So basically, if you check in this link, the detail for the online classes. Okay, and also in a below I have provided the YouTube link, means basically the LinkedIn profile. You can also visit my LinkedIn profile, and also you can ping me connection request, so I will add it in my LinkedIn community as well. Okay, So if we check the different type of the classes that we are currently conducting, and also the student we were the place in a the some company. Okay, so this is a list of the candidate who were the place in a different company. Okay, then in a below, if you check the you can fill the detail. If you are the interested, then you can fill the detail and you can submit the application. I will contact you after that if you once you submitted the contact detail. Okay, then the next one is so basically I will so for the support, basically in this YouTube community or whatever the required this the job opening or this kind of things. So I need your help. So basically I will help you and you can help me on the. You can share the detail with your friends and family members. You can also subscribe to my channel. You can share the different job opening posts. So the reason is that if you share the detail, so we were the looking for the job, so they will also get the different type of opening notification. Okay, so basically it is basically the helping hand policy. Basically I will help you, you can help me, so like this way. Okay, so if you have any query, any question, you can reach me on this number. Okay, so basically you can also contact me on WhatsApp and you can also contact me on LinkedIn. Okay, so basically this is a basic detail about our IT community. Then the next I will explain you the different type of opening that currently we have. So basically this is a YouTube channel. If you go the community, in a community channel, I'm posting the different type of opening. So whatever the relevant opening for you, you can just ping me that opening in my WhatsApp, or you can contact me. So basically just now I explain you the simple logic IT solution, this detail. Uh, okay okay then I have also opening for the fresher in Mumbai. That detail I will explain with you. Okay, so you can check the detail. Okay, so this is the opening detail. So basically, Weldon. So this is opening for the Weldon company. So the job role is a technical support engineer, and this is the for the fresher. Okay. So if you are the fresher and you are the skill match with this the profile, then you can ping me on WhatsApp for the reference or any kind of things. If you have any kind of help, you can ping me on WhatsApp. So basically, the job location is the Pune. The location is the Baner. Okay, and this is a opening I received from the my LinkedIn community. So if you are the profile match for this, so you can ping me on WhatsApp. I will definitely refer you for this position. So the job location is the Baner, and you can check the required skill. So basically the a bachelor degree in electrical and electronic engineering. So if you are the this profile, then you can apply for this position. Expect from that you can not apply. Basically, you are not eligible for that. If you are the engineering in electrical or electronics, okay, or ENTC, so you can eligible for this position. So the experience they require the entry level or fresher. Okay, so if you are the fresher, you can apply for this position. Then the whatever the requirement for that, so basically they give the detail. I'm not list all the things. You can just go through this link and you can read the detail. Okay, so I will just give the some important things from this opening. So basically, they will required for the reviewing the RFI, then RFQ, RPF. Okay, so coordinator, the inter departmental, the regional stockholder, then provide the accurate, quick solution for the customer. So basically, this is the one kind of the application support engineer, and I will explain to you what are the different type of role for the application support engineer as a fresher. So this is a technical support, and application support is a different kind of things. This is a technical support for the electrical and electronic background student. Okay, so you can check the detail, and if your profile match for this, then you can ping me on WhatsApp for the reference. And also you can join the IT community, and you can also share this opening with your friends and family. You can also share the WhatsApp or whatever the social media, you can share these details, so your friends or family member also can get this detail, and they can also better helpful in a job opportunity. Okay. Then the next one is the opportunity for the Neosoft Private Limited. So basically, this opening for the Mumbai or different location. If you check, they require for the MS SQL server. Then the required experience is the 4 years. Then .NET full stack developer. It is basically specified that the React JS they required and 8 years experience. The location is the Mumbai, Noida, and the notice period is the 0 to 30 day. So if you are the eligible for that, then you can apply for this position as well. Okay. So then Oracle PL SQL developer 3 years experience. Then .NET Core, then for the 2 years experience, Mumbai location, then .NET Core, PostgreSQL, then .NET Core for the 3.5, and location is the Mumbai, and the notice period is the 0 to 7 day. So this is a basically different type of opening, and if you are the eligible for this, then you can also ping me for the reference or any kind of detail that you required. Okay. So then PostgreSQL developer also 3 to 5 years. Then location is a Mumbai, but they need the notice period means the immediate joiner, basically 0 to 7. So the basically the company detail that you can also check in a Google. Okay. So if you required the any kind of the reference for that, you can ping me on my the in a group, or you can ping me on WhatsApp. Okay. So the then next is the Angular developer. So basically you can check, and basically the my intention is that if you can basically go for the all the community, whatever the different type of post there, so you can check there, and you can apply from this post. Okay. Then the next one, persistent system, also for that we have the reference, so you can also apply for that position. And whoever the join in a live session. Okay. Yeah, so I will take the one by one question. Once I completed the session, I will end of the session. I will take the question. All question I will read and I will take that question. Okay. So yeah, Aditya, then whoever the HP, then uh, for Rashid, then I will take all the question. Okay. Once I completed, then I will take all the question. Okay. So the next opportunity that I will explain you, that is for the. Okay. So this one. So basically, I will also share you in a WhatsApp group. So basically, the SQL developer for the fresher, basically fresher B computer and IT candidate for the Mumbai location, and this opening in my previous company. So this is a direct reference. Okay. So I will guide you how you can apply for this. So whoever the interested candidate, they can ping me on WhatsApp. So this is the position for the junior software developer. The role is the junior software developer. The location is the Mumbai East. Then this is a work from office Monday to Friday, and Saturday Sunday. I think there is a option is the work from home. Then the CTC they are offering for the between the 2.1 to 2.8 plus incentive. So this is the CTC they are offering, and they required only the male candidate. Okay, so it is a support the role. Basically, the position is for the basically the candidate will be work on the shift. So basically for that the reason they are looking for the male candidate. Okay. Then the education background. So most important thing, that education background only the B in computer engineering or IT. So if you have completed your education in a B computer, means computer engineering or IT engineering, then only those candidates are the eligible for this position. So this is the criteria that they have decided, like male candidate and education background in a computer engineering. Okay. So whoever the any question, they can ping in a chat box. So I will take all the question after the in a question and answer session. So basically job description. So this is a very good opportunity for the fresher. If you want start your career in IT, then this is a better way, which is I think I will explain in my last session as well. So the job description basically the required is a good knowledge on a SQL, then writing the SQL queries, then hands-on practice on SQL command like DML, DDL, DCL, then store procedure function trigger, then transaction, then if you have the SP store procedure. Okay, so those are those kind of skill that are required for this position. Then in this also they have mentioned that database and query optimization. So yeah, so basically they required for the query or DBA kind of things. Basically DBA knowledge also it will be required for that. Then how we can take the database log, then error handling. So basically after that knowledge about the MS SQL server or MySQL, so any of one the knowledge you required. Okay, then the good communication, then the problem solving skill, also DBA skill, the basic knowledge of the .NET application. So if you're it is a not the development like task, but yeah, they required for the basic knowledge of the .NET application. Okay, so if you have the basic knowledge of the .NET application, then you can apply or you are eligible for this position. Then seventh, the knowledge of the pharmaceutical domain or data warehouse management. Okay, so it is optional, so they will provide the training on that. So if you are interested, you can ping me on this WhatsApp number. I will share you I will share you the number in live chat. So you are the directly join, so they can also ping me on this number. Okay. Secondly, if you are the new join for this group, then I will also ping you the community group link. Okay, so I also ping you the community group link. Okay, so I think that's is in a today's session. So now we will move for the question and answer. So one request is that whoever the new join, so please subscribe to my channel. So I will take the lot of effort for the gathering this information, and I will also take the much time on this. So I'm a working professional. Also, you can like the live chat. So I will get info from you. So basically तो बेसिकली क्या है कि बेसिकली मैं ये डिफरेंट ओपनिंग मेरे लिंक्डइन कम्युनिटी और डिफरेंट सोर्सेस लाइक माय some friends working in a some different company, and if is there any kind of opening, so I will request them कि you can ping me, so it will be basically तो opening आपके लिए भी effectively हो सकता है. तो basically whoever the join in a live session, please like this the session, please subscribe to my channel. Also you can share this video with your friends and family members, so basically they will also get the benefit of this the post or any kind of things. Yeah, so basically now I will open for the question and answer. So over the question, so first of all, uh, Fatia Rashid, so any opportunity for the network engineer? Okay, so the yeah Fatia, so basically you can join my IT community group where I posted the lot of opening for the network engineer, but for the fresher or any kind of experience, so basically many opening is for the for the experience. तो मेरे पास जो भी ज़्यादा ओपनिंग आता है तो रेफरेंस आता है, तो बेसिकली वो एक्सपीरियंस के लिए रहता है। तो बेसिकली अगर कहीं पे भी फ्रेशर के लिए भी कोई भी ओपनिंग रहेगा, तो मैं जो अपना ग्रुप है व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, तो वहाँ पे मैं अपडेट करता हूँ। तो आप वहाँ पे ग्रुप पे जॉइन हो जाओ, तो वहाँ पे आपको डेफिनेटली अपडेट मिलेगा। और आई विल आल्सो नोट डाउन योर दिस काइंड ऑफ द whatever your requirement for the network engineer. Yeah, so okay. Then the next question from the Aditya. So for the Mindex company, which position are available for the fresher? So okay. So Aditya, yeah, basically, so basically there are different type of opening in a Mindex company. So I will again open the my PPT. Yeah. So basically, different type of opening for the Java developer, then .NET developer, then data engineer and data analyst. Okay. Then also QA automation engineer. So basically, they required for the experienced candidate. Okay, 2 to 5 years, 2 2 years experience, and 8 years experience, again 2 to 5 years experience. But they also mention that the fresher as well. So if you are the fresher and you are looking any kind of opportunity like a Java developer, then SFDC, then .NET developer or data data engineer. So you can also apply for this position. Okay, as a fresher. So if any kind of opening for the fresher, they can refer you. Okay, they can take your resume from their database. तो बेसिकली क्या है कि अगर आप फ्रेशर हो और अगर आप वांटेड टू अप्लाई फॉर दिस पोजीशन, तो आपको क्या करना है कि बेसिकली फॉर दिस आई विल शेयर यू द द रेफरेंस, सो यू कैन जॉइन माय आईटी कम्युनिटी, आई विल प्रोवाइड द रेफरेंस फॉर दैट. Okay, so you can also eligible for this position, so you can also apply for this position. Okay. Then the next question from the HP. So non-IT sector job, like any opening. Okay, non-IT sector job. Okay. So yeah, so basically we have the opening for the non-IT sector related as well. So non-IT sector. So basically, for the if you are the completed your graduation in a commerce, or if you have completed the MBA, or any kind of the non-IT related. So we have the opening for that as well. So you can join IT community where I posted the opening. Yeah. Okay. So one thing I forgot to explain you. Okay, so in my group, I have posted one opening. Okay, so for the this key account manager. So basically, this opening I received from uh, the one of the community. But before the applying, means अगर आप यहाँ पे apply करने के लिए जा रहे हो, तो basically I will suggest you, first of all you can verify the detail. So बेसिकली आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. पहले तो मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ कि ओपनिंग क्या है. तो बेसिकली दिस ओपनिंग फॉर द मंत्रा के ए एम की अकाउंट मैनेजर. सो दिस इज अ वर्क फ्रॉम ऑफिस. क्वालिफिकेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड एनी ग्रेजुएट और एमबीए फ्रेशर. So any kind of graduate any stream. So basically they have not mentioned that whatever the stream, but if you are the graduate like the plain graduation or the commerce or any kind of thing, so you can, yeah, you can eligible for this position. The candidate, but they required the fluent in English. Okay, so level 4 Hindi. uh, they required English and Hindi communication. Okay, the day is a 6 day working, a rotational shift 8 a.m. to the 8 p.m. One rotational is off, then work from the office. So you can also noted this one. The CTC they are offering for the fresher 25,000 and experience for the 29,000 per month. And the number of opening, they basically 100 opening they have mentioned, and location is the Shivaji Nagar, Pune. Okay, so but I suggest you, before the you are applying or any kind of things, you can verify the detail. Okay, I have not verified the details, sorry for that. Basically, whatever I have posted the opening, it is a basically I will verify first, but this opening I have not verified, so I will बेसिकली आपको क्या करना है कि वो वेरीफाई करना है और उसके बाद ही आपको अप्लाई करना है. और एनी काइंड ऑफ पर्सन आस्क एनी काइंड ऑफ द pay any kind of amount, so you can don't pay any kind of things. Okay, so uh, before the applying you can verify the detail. Okay, so yeah, HP you can also verify the detail and you can apply for this position. Then any kind of any question, if you have any question you can ping me in a WhatsApp, so I will take you that question. अगर आपके पास कोई भी क्वेश्चन है तो आप पूछ सकते हो. ठीक है. ओके, तो बेसिकली ओके, तो ठीक है. अगर किसी के पास कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं है तो हम ये कॉल एंड करते हैं. ठीक है, तो बेसिकली अगेन आई रिक्वेस्ट यू दैट कि आप न्यू ज्वाइनर, अगर आप ये आईटी कम्युनिटी पे अगर न्यू ज्वाइन किया है तो आप बेसिकली जो भी ओपनिंग्स मैंने शेयर किया है तो बेसिकली आप फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप वेरीफाई करें और उसके बाद ही आप अप्लाई करो. ठीक है, अगर any kind of references required, you can ping me. I have posted the link as well as the community channel link in a chat box. You can also go through that and you can join the session. You can join that community group. I will provide you the reference or any kind of job related post. Okay, so okay, then if no one having the any question, then we will conclude the call. Okay. Okay then. So thank you for the all of you for the joining this call. We are conducting weekly job update call every week, but this week I am on we have the some I will conduct in today. So thank you for the joining and thank you for the your response in the chat box. Thank you all of you.